Hey everyone, Vince from AnsonPDR.com coming to you with a couple accessories that you might not know about that exist out there. I've been using them for about 6 to 8 months right now, and that's the B&D bridge for your edge pliers and for your fender pliers. Now here it is set up on the edge pliers, okay? This swivel action, you're able to get it out of your way. So when you're working on a panel, your eyesight, sometimes it gets in the way of your eyesight with the other bridge like this here. This here is the bridge that it comes with, and it's considerably smaller area, and sometimes that messes with your line of sight. So by putting on the bigger bridge, you could actually rotate this out of your way, and if your line of sight is going that way, you now have the edge pliers or fender pliers out of your sight, so you could do it. So this is what it looks like on the edge pliers. This is what it looks like on the fender pliers, and you just keep this loose. You use the same screw, and you could adjust these feet to the left or to the right, in or out, and I tend to keep them on the outside for better leverage. And let's show you what they do right here on this door. Now obviously this door, I'm not fixing that big bad boy, but this guy here, you could set this up. You could separate your legs wherever you need them, tighten down on it, and then go to town. And see, this is straight ahead. It gets in my line of sight, so I'm able to swivel this way. That way it's out of my way, and I can make my pushes, or this way as well, and make your pushes as well. Now if you're on an uneven surface, that works even better, because you could adjust the height of one side and lower this if you need to make it more balanced. And then you could keep that there or move it in however you want. But once again, it offers you a tremendous advantage to be able to move these pliers out of your line of sight, so you can see. And the same goes to show for the fender pliers as well. You get in there and you place this up here, and you're ready to squeeze away, shift it away if you need to make that high spot. Boom, like that. You could totally move over here, give you another example, and squeeze. There's your high spot, right? So it's just a tremendous tool. We're all starting to use these a lot more now, and finding different uses for them in tailgates, light sockets. You pull a headlight out, tail light sockets, you pull it out, you go in there as well. There's many different uses for this great tool, and it just got even more expanded by using the larger bridge. Find that at AnsonPDR.com, and I believe it's about $100, $110 for that. All right guys, have a good day.